Hey VAT, we recently went on a photo scavenger hunt and found some photos of natural light, the rule of thirds, filling the frame, framing the subject, ordinary things in a new angle, and then also we looked for the elements and principles of design. We then are going to take those photos, at least we're going to choose one of those photos, and we're going to do some editing of those photos. So here's the photos that I took on my scavenger hunt. I have all 6 of those compositional strategies, and now I'm going to edit one of them to be one black and white, one high contrast, one low contrast, one enhanced color, and then one extremely cropped. And then we'll talk about the photo with a logo later once we've created logos. Alright, so here we go. I've got my photo opened, one of the photos that I took using framing to frame my subject, Mrs. Nelson here. I'm going to edit this in a couple different ways to get those 5 different edits on the portfolio. So I'm going to edit, and I'm going to use, I'm going to unlock the layer first, make sure it's unlocked, and then go to Image, Adjustments, and there's the possibility to make this a black and white photo very easily with the black and white options here. Being able to customize how colors turn into black and white is available for you in these slidey bars. And then I'm going to, once I have it the way that I want it, I'm going to hit OK, and I'm going to save this in my H drive. Save this as edited black and white, and save that as a JPEG maximum quality. Hit OK. There are a couple other edits, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go edit step backwards to bring it back to how it was, and then looking at my slideshow, I've got a high contrast photo to make, low contrast, enhanced color, and extremely cropped. So to do that, I'm going to continue to use the image adjustments. So high contrast, all of these top 4 deal with high contrast, so high and low contrast will be in here. I like to use levels to edit my contrast. The white can be controlled to the left and the black to the right, and then I end up with a higher contrast image than my original. If I hit OK, this is already a little bit high contrast, so I'll save this one. I'll undo, make a low contrast one. I'll undo, do a colorful one by going to Adjustments, Hue Saturation, maybe boost the colors a little bit. Hit OK and save that one, and I'll keep undoing and making the changes as I need, and I'll insert all these JPEGs into my portfolio as soon as I'm done. Thanks for watching.